Easy Hack here, and today we are doing a teardown of a cable modem, guys. Look at that. There she is. I'm gonna put my camera down so it's not shaky. Should be good. So here it is. Let's do a teardown. There's only 2 screws. Magic makes them unscrew. Oh my god, look at all the spider webs and dust. Oh, that's where the money is, under there, or if it's right, if it says Trident, or I don't know, if it starts with a T, we just made $150. What does that say? Look at that, that's an FPGA chip. I just found one in a cable modem. Only took me a minute. Isn't that cool, guys? Oh, what would be the best way to get that off my board?